Today I will be doing the Volcano Experiment. You'll be needing a whatever cup you can find. It doesn't matter, just a cup sitting around. I'm using this. And then you'll also need baking soda, vinegar, food coloring. This does not matter what color it is. It just makes, I'm just choosing blue because it is my favorite color. And then you'll probably need a lot of napkins because it can get really messy. Okay, so first we need, again, the measuring cup. First, we'll need the vinegar. Okay. Let's get it where we can pour it. Let's pour it. Okay, that is good. Then, here's the food coloring. And now, I'm going to unscrew this and drop it in the vinegar. And now it'll just sit there. But, if I stir it with my stirring spoon, it will move and it will fill your water. Instead of it just being a little blue, it's now all blue. Stir it for a little minute. And that's good. Okay, so here comes when you are going to need this. Your actual volcano mostly. I'm going to just sit this over here. And now, this is going to be a little bit hard for me because it'll probably fall out. Okay, I think that's enough. Then just stir it up. Like, just shake it. And then you'll go back to this. Oh, beware. Vinegar smells really bad, so if you don't like bad smells, don't do this, okay? Ready? I'm going to stick it out right here so it doesn't explode everywhere. And there it is. I still have a little more left. I might as well. Oh. Now, that's going to rise a little bit. That was cool, wasn't it? And that is why you need paper towels. Because it will, of course, stain whatever you are doing this experiment on. And this is what I have left. You don't try this. Don't try to do this experiment again with this because it does not have a chemical reaction now. That has already been done. So just pour it in a drain. And then if you want to do it again, just again do the steps I've showed you. That's it. So, I'll show you what, you probably couldn't see it at the angle you were at. But this is the mess. That is definitely why I use paper towels And I use a Walmart bag right under it. See? There. And that's mostly it. See you on the next vlog. Bye.